Okay, folks. I made some improvements here. I added two fans. It's a double fan. So I had to add two fans. I couldn't cut it and stuff like that. So I added two fans with some duct work. Um, Eventually, I'm gonna send the duct work across the exhaust and around this way and down and around, and then hook up some little vent right here to warm the vehicle, to warm the room. Um, yeah. So far, my DIY heater is working. I mean, right now I'm getting heat. I'm just getting heat. Matter of fact, let's go get the heat gun and let's show you what's going on here. All right. 303 Fahrenheit. That's pointed at the hose, the line, whatever you want to call it. That's at 83. That's at 83. So when I run that ductwork around and get it to right here, it should be about 80-ish, 70-ish, pushing heat. That's beautiful. I'm running a propane hookup, by the way, in case you didn't know. 221 right there. 221. Yeah, folks. It's popping. Like, subscribe, leave a message. Have a good day.